Dear shareholders, board members, colleagues, and esteemed guests, it is an honor to welcome you all to the 35th Annual General Meeting of Bhageria Industries Limited. As we gather today, I am filled with pride in our collective achievements and excitements about the journey that lies ahead. A year of resilience and growth. The past 1 year has been transformative for Bhageria Industries. In an environment marked by unprecedented challenges from global supply chain disruptions to volatile market, we have not just survived, we have thrived. Our performance this year is a testament to the resilience of our business model, the agility of our strategies, and unwavering dedication of our people. We closed the financial year with revenue of rupees 511.82 crores, marking a 1.33% growth over the previous year. Our profit after tax reached rupees 19.62 crores, a clear indicator of our operational efficiency and strategic foresight. These numbers, however, are more than just figures. They represent the trust our customers places in us, the hard work of our employees, and the confidence of our shareholders. Performance overview and sectoral growth. Despite the challenging global economic landscape, Bhageria Industries has demonstrated remarkable agility and focus, positioning itself strongly within the industry. Chemical sector. We have continued to solidify our leadership in the chemical industry, focusing on innovations, sustainability, and the enhancement of our production capabilities. Our commitment to meeting the highest standard of quality and safety has enabled us to enter to a growing demand and both domestically and internationally. Pharmaceutical sector. The pharmaceutical industry has been another area of significant growth. We have leveraged our expertise in chemical manufacturing to develop high quality pharmaceutical intermediates and active pharmaceutical ingredients APIs. As health and wellness become increasingly prioritized globally, our investment in this sector will ensure we remain a key player. Solar energy sector. One of the most exciting areas of progress has been our advancement in solar energy. Bhageria Industries has always believed in sustainable development, and our significant investment in the solar sector reflects this commitment. Strength and initiatives and partnerships. In addition to our sectoral focus, we have also implemented strategic initiative to optimize our resources. A notable development this year is our agreement for the sale of surplus steam supply. This innovative approach to resource management not only generates additional revenue but also aligns with our commitment to operational efficiency and sustainability. Dividend. The company has maintained a steady track record of rewarding the shareholders with a generous dividend payout. In view of the steady financial performance, the board has recommended a dividend of rupees 1 per share on the face value of rupees 5, which is 20% of the equity share capital. If approved by the members, the year 23-24 will be the 31st consecutive year of payment of dividend of your company. Corporate social responsibility. Your company is fully committed towards better development of community through the CSR initiative. During the year, your company has spent a total amount of rupees 63.22 lakhs out of which 23 lakhs towards education support program and 38 lakhs towards health initiative program, rupees 2 lakhs towards rural development. Economic landscape and India's position. While the global economy has been experiencing uncertainties and challenges, we are optimistic about the future. India's economic position remains robust, supported by strong domestic demand, policy reforms, and entrepreneurial spirit. Bhageria Industries is well positioned to capitalize on these opportunities. Thanks to our strategic investments, diversified portfolios, and focus on innovation, we remain committed to contributing to India's economic growth and being a key player in a global market. I look forward to take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to all our dedicated team whose hard work and commitment are the backbone of our success. I would also like to thank our shareholders, customers, bankers, and partners for their unwavering trust.
फिजिकल मीटिंग के बारे में विचार करेंगे. थैंक यू.
Atharva, next speaker.
So Mr. Anil Mehta is the next speaker. He is not available, ma'am.
Okay.
So we are done with speaker shareholder list, ma'am.
Atharva, one more speaker, Keshav Garg.
Keshav, okay. Okay. So I've unmuted Keshav Garg. Mr. Keshav, please unmute yourself.
Sir, so thank you very much for providing me this opportunity. Sir, so I have already sent my list of questions. So if the list is in front of you, I will not repeat all the questions. Hello.
हाँ sir, हाँ. Just a minute.
Sir, so what I will do, I will just ask the major questions, or sir, you can answer the questions, and sir, then if any question is left out, then I will ask that remaining question.
First question, outlook for financial year 25. We expect better performance in FY24 compared to last year, with margins depending on global market conditions. Second question, sustainable steady state EBITDA margin in dyes intermediate, solar, EPC, and pharma. Can we expect going forward? Dyes intermediate and pharma generally have EBITDA margins of 10% to 15%, impacted by raw materials, cost, and land and effective R&D. Solar EPC margins are typically 5 to 8% due to competitions and technology. Third, what is scope of for margin improvement over the next 2 to 3 years? We don't give guidance of 2 to 2 and never on profits or margins. What is generated volumes and price growth that we can expect in dyes intermediate segments for financial year 25? For financial 25, we expect the demand in the dyes intermediate segments to grow by 8 to 15% with marginal improvement in product prices. Fifth one, what were revenue from API division in financial 24 and 25, and where we break even? If not, at what rate can we expect to break even? The revenue from the API division was 3 crores in 24. Regarding break even, we have not yet reached it. We expect to achieve break even within next 5 to 6 years. Sixth one, what are the expected revenue and margins can we expect from API division in 25, 26, 27? It is too early to provide specific figures. We are still refining our forecast, but we expect steady growth in the API division over the next few years. What is the margin in our EPC business and amount of capital employment from the same? Our EPC division operates with margin between 5 to 8% and capital employment in the business is rupees 15 crores. Eighth one, what is the timeline to complete the 104.5 crore EPC project in Bahrain and what is current order book for EPC segment? The EPC project for in Bahrain is anticipated to be completed by the end of December 24 and currently there are no orders in hand for the EPC segment. What is our current capacity and utilization levels? Our current capacity is 3,600 metric tons for VS, 4,800 metric tons for HSID, with utilization level ranging from 70 to 80%. How is the lowest cost producers of the above chemicals in India are Indian manufacturers at cost parity to Chinese competitor. In India, the lowest cost producers of chemicals varies, but Indian manufacturers generally face higher costs compared to Chinese competitors. Chinese firms benefit from lower raw material cost, lower labor cost, and favorable governmental policies. These factors allow them to offer chemicals like HSID and vinyl sulfate at a lower prices internationally. 11th one, what is the expected market size of B12 derivatives and vitamin D API that we will manufacture and how is competition in this segment? The expected market size for B12 derivatives API is estimated at 20 tons per year in India. The competition in the segment can be quite intense. 12th one, in Fermenter Biotech competence in vitamin D segment. It is too early to say that Fermenter Biotech is a competitor in the vitamin D segment. 13th question. Who are major customers and competitor? Our major competitor in the industry are Model Chemicals, Kiri Industries, Pushkar, and Daksha-Chem. What is our pricing arrangement with our customers? Do we have price pass-through agreements or fixed prices contracts? Our pricing arrangements with customers is handled on an order-to-order basis as we do not have fixed price contracts or price pass-through agreements. What are the 92.8 crores in financial 24 versus 48 crores in 23? Foreign exchange outflow regarding the increase in due is higher imports of goods such as solar panels for our EPC business. What was purchase of stock in traded goods of 98.6 crore versus 4.2 crores? Trading activities on our chemical business and increased procurement for our EPC projects based on orders. Why have our effluent treatment charges been increased by more than 5x to 7.95 crores? The rise in effluent treatment charges to 7.95 crores is due to the increased prices for discharging waste with the CETP, Common Effluent Treatment Plant. Are we facing environmental issues and can we expect similar margins impact going forward? We are not currently facing environmental issues. We have proactively implemented measures to address these concerns and remain confident in our ability to manage the effects of profitability. What is the outlook for each of the business segments? Reactive dyes, intermediate, solar, and pharma. We have already addressed in our MDA. What is 17.5 crores CWIP and when can we expect to commercialize? The CWIP capital work in progress, chemical segments, and the development of 20 megawatt solar park. We anticipate that these products will be commercialized in the current financial year. What is the other revenue of 67.1 crore in 25 and 57 crores in financial year 22? The other revenue of 67 crores in 24 and 57 in 22 includes revenue from pharma trading and EPC activities in solar. Who owns remaining 49% of Bhageria and Jajodia Pharmaceutical Private Limited? Swati Spentos Private Limited holds 49% stake in Bhageria and Jajodia Pharmaceutical Private Limited. What is the expected IRR we aim for before embarking on any capex or additional investments? We aim for before investment. When do we to 5 years from top line and bottom line? I already answered all the questions, 24 questions which you have mentioned.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for detailed answers. Sir, just one thing. Sir, if you could tell us that, sir, from FY19 till FY22, our chemical division used to do, sir, basically around 80 to 100 crore of EBITDA. So now, which in the past 2 years, due to the global environment, sir, we know the whole chemical industry is suffering. Sir, but what in your best judgment, sir, when can we re-achieve that kind of our previous kind of profitability in our dye segment?
सर आपका
Between 80
आवाज
to
इंटरप्ट
100
हुआ है
crore?
हाँ
क्या आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है केशव?
सर मैं ये समझना चाह रहा हूँ कि सर कब हम वापस 80 से 100 करोड़ जो हमारी पहले सर एबिटा हुआ करता था केमिकल डिवीजन में, वो कब हम पहुंच पाएंगे आपके जजमेंट में?
सर जब भी अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी केमिकल सेगमेंट में तभी ये हो सकता है। अभी टेम्पररी तो ड्यू टू ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड एवरीथिंग फैक्टर के कारण मार्जिन श्रिंक हो रहा है, रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट बढ़ रही है। दैट्स व्हाई वी नॉट रीच 80 to 100 CR इन द नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 years।
और सर हम लोग जैसे हमारा एच एसिड ये सब बनाते हैं, 1/3 रेवेन्यू उधर से आ रहा है और सर बाकी भी सर डाई इंटरमीडिएट, सर तो कोई प्लान है हमारा पिगमेंट में फॉरवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन करने का, हायर वैल्यू एडेड बनाने का? सर बिकॉज ये तो कमोडिटी है सर, इसमें तो सर कुछ जैसे सुदर्शन केमिकल और ये सब जो जैसा कर रहे हैं।
फिलहाल तो हमारा नहीं है पिगमेंट्स में कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है। फिर इन फॉरवर्ड फ्यूचर में कुछ रहेगा इन अच्छे कोई प्रोडक्ट्स में तो हम लोग लुकिंग आफ्टर देखेंगे और उसमें ध्यान देके कुछ रहेगा तो एक्सपेंशन देखेंगे वो प्रोजेक्ट में।
और सर मैंने कुछ साल पहले आपके एनुअल रिपोर्ट में पढ़ा था कि हमारा सर 33% या 30% ग्लोबल मार्केट शेयर है गामा एसिड में, तो सर क्या ये मेरा सही वो है या फिर कुछ मिस्टेक है सर
नहीं
इसमें?
वो सही है सर, वही 30% हमारा मार्केट शेयर है ओवरऑल गामा एसिड में।
ओके सर, बट हमारा 30% मार्केट शेयर होने के बावजूद सर हमारा जो मेजर रेवेन्यू जो आपने ब्रेकअप दिया है सर पेज नंबर 82 में, उसमें तो सर जैसे एस एसिड से 1/3 आ रहा है और बाकी सबसे 5, 7, 8% आ रहा है। तो सर मतलब गामा एसिड में हमारा दुनिया में 1/3 मार्केट शेयर होने के बावजूद हमारे टोटल रेवेन्यू में उसका हिस्सा बहुत ही मिनिस्क्यूल है सर, तो ऐसा कैसे?
सर गामा एसिड में जो कंजम्पशन लेवल है ना ऑल ओवर द ग्लोब वही कम है, तो उसके कारण शेयर हमारा ज्यादा दिख रहा है। ओवरऑल कंजम्पशन कम है गामा का, इसके लिए जो सेल्स है ना वो जो दिख रहे हो आप कंपैरिजन करते हो तो एच एसिड हाईली रेवेन्यू डिराइव करता है।
नॉर्मली गामा एसिड में लोग बाग 10-15 टन 20 टन के प्लांट लगाते हैं। इंडिया और चाइना के अलावा दूसरी जगह पर कहीं गामा मैन्युफैक्चर होता नहीं है, ये खाली इंडिया और चाइना में हो रहा हो। चाइना में भी प्लांट छोटे हैं इसमें क्योंकि कंजम्पशन कम है, इसलिए बड़े साइज का प्लांट कोई लगाता नहीं है। हमारा जो प्लांट है 150 टन का है, तो वी कैटर टू अबाउट 30% रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द इंडिया एंड चाइना ऑल्सो।
सर और ये अपना सर मैं देख रहा था कि सर कोई हमको प्रीमियम मिलता है क्या सर, ये जो हम विनाइल सेलफोन या एच एसिड ऐसा बनाते हैं जो बाकी की कंपनी है उनसे सर हमारा कोई मतलब हायर प्रीमियम हम एंजॉय कर पाते हैं सर ड्यू टू सुपीरियर क्वालिटी और एनीथिंग?
केशव सर थोड़ा टाइम का लिमिटेशन है, अगर आपके क्वेश्चन का हम लोग मेल पे आंसर दें तो ज्यादा सुटेबल रहेगा सर।
ठीक है मैडम, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर
हाँ जी, सर।
आपका, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Hoping that all the query raised by the members were satisfied.